So I have a theory, and I've had a lot of celebrity drinks and cocktails that they are overpriced because you're buying, a brand from a celebrity. A lot of times, celebrities, they don't know much about alcohol. They're actors or musicians or whatever, and they, want to make a little extra money on the side, so they're partnering with, a tequila company or something like that, usually like a giant tequila manufacturing. They go down to Mexico, they try a few different tastes from a few different barrels and go, I like that one, slap my name on it. Let us expand our appreciation for all of our favorite beverages through the stories and places that bring them to life. Welcome to Cork and Java. Hello, Corkies. Welcome back to corkandjava.com. We got a really special review for you today. It is a tequila from the number one selling tequila on the app Drizzly, which is, if you guys don't know, it's a great place to buy tequila. If I can find this on there, I'll leave a link if you're interested to pick this up. But we're doing a little series here. We're going to be reviewing a few different liquors from various celebrities to see if really they are worth picking up or something you should pass over. So, what are we reviewing today, Bryn?
Today we are reviewing George Clooney and friends, who we don't know who they are or how to say their names, so we're just calling them friends.
They're rich people.
Yeah. Casamigos.
They
Tequila.
founded it. They've actually recently sold it for a lot of money.
Oh, really? They sold this.
They've. I don't know if George Clooney was still involved, but
okay.
I mean, he was one of the founders, and so this is definitely to his and his friends, rich friends' tastes, and so we're gonna test this out. So I have a theory, and I've had a lot of celebrity drinks and cocktails that they are overpriced because you're buying, a brand from a celebrity. A lot of times, celebrities, they don't know much about alcohol. They're actors or musicians or whatever, and they, want to make a little extra money on the side, so they're partnering with, a tequila company or something like that, usually like a giant tequila manufacturing. They go down to Mexico, they try a few different tastes from a few different barrels and go, I like that one, slap my name on it, and it's usually,
make tons of money from it.
And then we'll up the cost of it by 3x, and so we're gonna see if really that's the case or not. So with this one at least.
Okay.
Yeah, let's give it a sniffy sniff here. It's pretty sweet on the nose, like a sweet agave nectar, obviously. Mm-hmm. It's got very much that traditional tequila taste, a little bit of like cinnamon and
nutmeg or something is what I was thinking.
Yeah,
like
but vanilla too.
Yeah, it has like a fall like kind of taste, like the fall, spices to me. That's what it reminds me of, that palette, I guess, of spices.
All right. So, do you want to give it a little taste?
Yeah, of course.
All right. It's smooth on the front end. It's a very good mouthfeel. It reminds me of a very high quality mouthfeel of a high quality vodka. It's got a lot of that sweetness from the agave. I would say it's a much sweeter tequila than the average ones that I would have. But it's not incredibly complex. Mm-mm. But it's also, the standard, clear tequila. It's not barrel aged. So this is pretty much what I would expect from a mid-tier tequila. It doesn't blow me out of the water. I've definitely had better tequilas that have been half the price.
How much was this?
Shoot. I think, so this is only a 350 milliliter bottle. I think it was at least $30.
Yeah. We've had way better tequila for far less money.
Yeah. But it's not terrible, and it's definitely a little bit unique. So what we're going to do next, not right now, but in our next video, is we're going to test out the cocktail ability of this tequila and see if that really brings out some of the goodness of it. If maybe this is really designed to be
mixed
in a mixed drink.
Yeah.
And so if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel already, which like 80% of you aren't, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below and that little bell so you're notified when we put up that next video of our cocktail. And it'll be a surprise what we're doing. We won't, and it's not probably what you think it is. So
yeah, I'm wondering if, tequila is not one that most people pour a glass of and have, a lingering, nightcap with. Usually it's a shot or it's in a, mixed
margarita
or something. Yeah, so I'm, wondering if maybe a lot of the tequilas out there are they'll be better in a mixed drink period, that sipping on its own is not necessarily what they're going for. Because this is not like this, if I, got this as a gift, I'd be like, oh, thanks, and drink it. But I wouldn't go out and buy this again.
Yeah, I wouldn't. Like I said, there's tequilas that are half the price that stand up to this easily or out drink it to me.
I don't know. You said something about the mouthfeel. I feel like it almost has like a little bit of like a filmy kind of almost like a residue or something. Like on my tongue
like velvety kind of.
Yeah,
like a silk.
I don't know. I mean, yeah, but
I like that though.
No. It leaves something too, though. Like it is like smooth but I feel like it leaves something like stuck on my tongue too. You're not getting that?
I'm not, but let us know down in the comments what your favorite tequila is, either by a celebrity or non-celebrity, because we're always looking and trying new tequilas. And man, out of all the different types of liquors that celebrities are putting their name and face on, tequila's got to be up there as the highest. There's some vodkas. We do have a Snoop Dogg gin.
Yes, I'm excited about trying that one.
Which we are going to try in this series. We're going to try a Snoop Dogg gin. On this channel we love Snoop. We love his wines. His just personality.
We love his celebrity. Yeah, like he's just a fun celebrity.
Exactly.
But yeah, I mean, I'm not like
George Clooney. Pretty good job.
Yeah,
I would say pretty good job there. Of course, we know why it's expensive because of the name recognition.
Sure.
But yeah, it's definitely a very drinkable, very palatable tequila, and I'd be interested to try the other variations of Casamigos and see how they stack up. It's definitely one that's it's familiar. Like it's not going to be too different for you, but it's also a little bit unique at the same time. So it's a good mix. All right, guys, make sure if you like this content to give us a thumbs up because it definitely helps us with our YouTube algorithm. And of course, we're on Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, all those great places. Twitters.
Everywhere.
Yep.
All right. So until next time, guys.
Bottoms up.